Hey guys, in this video I will share with you guys how to properly cross-list your listing using Nembol via multiple platforms such as eBay, Etsy, and Amazon. So first of all, I'm using Nembol because Nembol is the only apps available in my country. For you guys in the US, you have like bunch of options such as Crosslist lists perfectly, but anyway, I found Nembol also to be the only one Crosslist on Amazon. So I will not say they are cross-listing on Amazon because we cannot directly like list our item using Nembol directly to Amazon. However, we can sync our inventory using this application. So after using Nembol for a while, I found out the best way to cross-list our items is first of all list our products on eBay instead of listing directly from Nembol. The reason why is eBay allows us to list multiple items at once. Compared to Nembol, we can only single list our items. So the app sync the quantity, update the content for you, and you can also cross-list across all those platforms available. And now they even have TikTok Shop. So I will not claim that Nembol is the best. It has a couple of bugs, but there is one function that I like about Nembol is you can export all your products over here, and you can make some adjustment and then re-import them again, so you will be able to update for example prices, or maybe like your titles and your descriptions. So guys, like I said before, the best method is to first create listing on eBay first, then we're going to import the listing that we made into Nembol and then cross-list them across all the other platforms. So to list multiple items on eBay is pretty easy. You're going to jump right here and click on create multiple listings. So here guys, I will not teach you how to list an item on eBay, and this is pretty easy and I'm sure you can find out by yourself. So alright guys, once you have created all your listing on eBay, I have a quick tips for you guys. When you create a listing on any platforms, make sure you fill out all those options right here, and try to fill out as much as possible, and this will help the algorithm to know what your listing is about. Is not the description, the SEO or whatever. The most important guys, it's what you select right here. So anyway guys, once you have all your listing ready, just create all, and we are going to import them on Nembol. So here we are on Nembol. We are going to import our product that we just made, and made that on eBay, and we're just going to hit import, and we're just going to wait. So another thing that I like on Nembol is they allow us to have a price rule across different platforms. And for myself, as I run different currency on other platforms, so it helps me to set a percentage, and also it also helps, as we know different platforms has different so guys, here is our newly listed items, and now we are simply going to publish them into you know, the platforms we want to publish. So guys, once it is done, you will be able to see all the channels you have listed. So let's take a look on Etsy, and then boom, guys, that's it. Of course, once you're on Etsy, you will need to manually adjust the details. But however, this application helps a lot.